teachers and all my dear subordinates. Today, I, Chitransha Bharti, standing before you all to conduct today's assembly activity. We all know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Similarly, a dose of news a day keeps the half knowledge away. So for news, I would like to call Priyani Soni.
Rise and shine. Today I Priyani Soni from 11th Biology going to state you the news. All over the Indian headlines are how Money acid the mind games to win a historic bronze. The PM Modi meet Manipur CM in first meeting since clashes. Sport news is that Virat Kohli first assigned by India head coach Gautam Gambhir with the 3 matches ODI series against Sri Lanka in August. MP news is are men accused of killing women in Bangalore hostel assisted in MP. Thank you.
If you want to shine like a sun, you have to first burn like a sun. So, for an inspirational thought, I would like to call Sunny Soni.
A warm and radiant morning to one esteemed principal ma'am, respected teachers and fellow students. Today I, Sunny Soni from 11th Bio, going to confess a thought. The thought for the day is each day comes with its unique challenge and opportunity. So don't fall low in any of the situation and just face the problem. One day you will get success. I repeat my thought. Each day comes with its unique challenge and opportunity. So don't fall low in any of the situation and just face the problem. One day you will get success. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sunny. Did you all know that biology is the branch of science where multiplication is the same as division? So to tell you all more bio facts, I would like to call Kafia Khan.
Good morning to respected teachers and one and all present here. Today, I, Kafia Khan from 11th Bio, going to tell you about some facts related to biology. First, human body consists of 40 trillions of cells, but there are more bacterial cells than human cells. Second, first cell appeared on Earth 4 billion years ago, which was prokaryotic cell. Third, one single cell contains 2 meters of DNA. Fourth, humans shed and regrow their outer skin cells about every 27 days. Fifth, the energy of our brain is enough to supply a light bulb. Sixth, in camera terms, the human eye is about 576 megapixels. Sixth, our fingers do not contain a single muscle. 7. Each blood cell takes 20 seconds to make its deliveries and travel back to heart. 9. Heart cell is caused by a blood vessel blocked by a clot. 10. In a petri dish. Thank you.
Thank you, Kafia. At last, but not the least, I would like to call Namrata Jatav for the word of the day.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my schoolmates. My name is Namrata Jatav from class 11th Bio, and the word of the day is aplomb. Spelling A-P-L-O-M-B, aplomb, meaning self-confidence or assurance, especially when in a demanding situation. In Hindi, आत्मविश्वास या आश्वासन विशेष रूप से जब कोई मामले की स्थिति हो. For example, despite the unexpected situation, she handled the challenge with great aplomb. Thank you.
Thank you, Namrata. A great man once said, self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start believing in yourself, magic starts happening. With these lines, I am ending today's assembly activity. Thank you and have a delightful day.
Today's assembly activity is prepared under the guidance of respected Snilata ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to hand over this mic to respected Ragini ma'am for today's thought.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day is success is not the key of happiness, but the happiness is the key of success. So if you love what you are doing, means for achieving your goal, what type of the achievement you are doing, then definitely you will be successful. Thank you.